Hey y'all, so yeah, today's another day, and we about to head to go install my dude's, what's that called? A mid? No, it's not mid. It's a downpipe, a Catless downpipe on his info. That's today's video. Y'all might get some races.
At the stop sign, turn right onto West Hillcrest Avenue, then turn left onto Catalpa Drive.
My bad if y'all hear that, but that's the address. But yeah, y'all might get some polls today or something. There's gonna be a few people. I think it's a car meet today too, so yeah, y'all catch me when I get there. Oh, yeah, Jerry, we here. Yeah. Y'all here, shout yourself out.
You know, follow me on Instagram. I'm Coolin MF. So my decal over there.
Yeah. Are they done? Are they almost done?
Nah, they're not.
Oh, damn.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
It's probably just low.
I broke his leg.
Hey, fuck out of here.
We was playing basketball.
I hit him with a step back. Damn it.
This mother nasty, boy. Y'all making me like BMWs, both y'all.
You say what?
Y'all both making me like BMWs.
Think about this.
I know, that was 33.
Yeah, I paid 33. With paying taxes.
You paid way less.
Got the carbon hood. I said the hood, the carbon spoiler, carbon top. There we go, right there. They working on the downpipe.
Got a lot more carbon.
Yours came like this? Yeah. Is that a wrap or is it?
No, that's actual carbon fiber roof.
Oh.
This actual carbon fiber. That's actual carbon fiber. I got a real carbon fiber front lip coming today.
You about to get a carbon fiber diffuser?
Yeah, I am.
That'd
I just
be
gotta
nice.
know which one I'm gonna go with.
Right.
Definitely.
This might be clean.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yes, sir.
Let's go flow.
Let's go, Flo.
Yeah. Let's go
I got
flow.
you know, I drove the only X3 in Dayton right now, the M.
Oh, word.
Yeah, and the thing I don't like about it, it doesn't have a carbon fiber sunroof. It's an SUV, but I wish it had a carbon roof.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. That thing is clean.
It's got like this much roof, and then the rest of it is like
The regular
glass.
glass, yeah.
But I'm like, man, isn't it carbon? Is it carbon fiber? It's kind of like orange.
Got the cars out here. Got the Cts-V. This mug bad too. See, he got the 6 pistons. I need 6 pistons on mine. And his shit clean. Yes, sir. Man, you know, you got the scat. This, the fat scat pack. Goddamn. Oh, shoot. If y'all watching, y'all know the page. Yeah. Yeah, that's a VC. Y'all got the SRT 861. Then we got the slow BMW. Go add. We need to clean this, boy. He about to get his shit worked on, though. He about to get his stuff put back on. Y'all see the turbos. Y'all see the intakes. Yes, sir. Damn, he got like 3 radiators. Yeah, he got big boy turbos in there. I was about to walk into the branches. Ooh, I did it. Yeah, it'd be a lot of money putting in the cars.
Yeah.
I swear.
Yeah. You like cars, you trying to get money, and you have fun. This shit,
You should have 150.
Ooh, look at that.
You gotta step out of the garage.
Working on it. This motherfucker dirty.
Oh, it's not even cold anymore. It smells.
That thing.
You trying to pull these, James?
These are heavy.
Yeah, you wouldn't have wanted to do this, man.
Yeah, I know. Like,
Engine mounts and
There it is.
everything.
I'm looking at it now. Like, I'm glad I didn't do it.
Man, that's stainless steel though too, ain't it? Cause it's color change.
It's like a alloy,
Alloy. Okay.
stainless alloy,
Yeah. Them prices looking nice when they do that.
like a cheaper grade stainless.
Right. Ah, yeah.
Yeah, I would have hated doing that. Got these little
Y'all got like 3 radiators too.
Yeah, we got one on each side and one in the middle.
Yeah.
That's the oil cooler right there.
This one.
Yeah. I'm glad I did not do this myself. I would have been pissed. I would have had that job towed to
Yeah.
the shop.
See, I was thinking we could do that by ourselves, but then I got to looking it up. I'm like, nope.
Just to save money.
Cause I was about to say, I knew he told me he had a lift in his garage. I knew I wasn't tripping. Is that the actual one right there?
Yeah, that's the OEM one. That's the aftermarket one.
Okay, that one he got in his hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get this one. Get this one out.
Oh yeah. Hope y'all seen this too.
Yeah, we saw it. We were questioning that for a minute.
Definitely appreciate you guys for helping out. I would have cried.
Almost done. Yeah, sure. That thing ain't got no noise.
It is loud.
It is loud.
I'm just playing.
Yeah, I don't know.
You see how that shit flying out the gas and shit. See how it cool down? Yeah. That's what they do. That's what mine do too.
Now the flaps are open.
Yup. You hear it. Is it straight pipe?
You said you got the OEM exhaust. I think it got down pipes though.
Oh, probably just like yours.
Yeah.
Yours probably quiet though without start, ain't it?
Yeah, stop.
I don't like quiet.
I mean, the cold start is kind of loud, but it's not like this.
Yeah. I got had noise. Yeah, sure. That's where them closed though.
Yeah, that's what the valve's closed.
Yeah. That's closed. That stuff stinks. You can smell it. That's open,
Yeah,
I
you
think.
can smell the exhaust. I mean, the fuel.
Yeah.
I don't want my shit to sound like that.
You say you wanted to?
I don't want it to sound like that.
Too well, that's too loud.
No, it's just I don't like raspy.
Ah, yeah.
I don't like ricey sound. I like the deeper tone. It's just hard to get that sound from this.
You know where it really sounds?
You hear the
Because I like with the brand I went with, they make like a single high.
head out. Hold on, about to head out. Get some food.
This one is loud.
I'll turn this on too. Shit. Got the GoPro
We
on.
scared to gap some shit, bro. Paddle shift the whole way there. That's all we doing, bro.
Oh, turn it to super wide angle.
How you do that?
Like right here.
Yeah.
Well, you know how to work it. Dang, my battery on 50%. Dang. I got another one. You probably do it.
Have you ever did your launch control?
No, I haven't.
Oh, do it with with the downpipes, like just you don't even gotta launch it. You know, you can just sit there and like
sit there and like
hear it,
rev it.
bro. Yeah, you get that shit. It sounds sweet.
It's on wide.
You can do super wide. Oh, you got it on 4K. That's why.
Probably sit on his side, huh?
Huh? No, I don't have it.
Straight pipe, what?
That shit gonna be too
Well,
loud.
it's not loud until you get on it for real. Or idle like this, and it sounds sweet as fuck. But if you just cruising, you won't hear for real.
I don't know. I had to see. I'm about to get my YouTube up here. It's gonna have the YouTube sign with AO Whips up here. That shit gonna be cool. Nah, he can probably just go back straight out, I think. Yeah.
Gotta say, you probably just let him pull out and you can just.
What that look like on the inside? Fancy as fuck. They don't? What the hell? I did not know that. He said the Catless don't got a backup camera.
They don't.
Dang. Yeah. Fuck, I'll just keep it turned off until we do some runs. Cause we ain't gonna run right now.
I mean, I left it on. If you use 4K, you use a lot of memory.
Yeah.
So I just left it on 2.7K
Alright.
and 30 frames per second. I fuck with.
How you turn this off? Like this.
You want to turn it off?
How you turn it off?
Just hold it down.
Yeah.